In the profile manager, you will see all the default profiles that are available. You can click on any one of them, and those are the settings. Because they're the default profiles, you will not have the option to edit any of them, but clicking on clone will create a copy of the profile that you can then edit. Now, if you clone the profile, right, this is a profile that I can make edits in. I can call it General Transcription Mona. I can put in a description, whatever I want to call it. There in the profile manager interface itself, you can set up quite a bit in your own profile. What words you want to capitalize fully, what in terms of title case, what is all caps, what are phrases you want to capitalize. You can also change your language settings to the different languages, like English spellings that we have available. You can add, very recently in the last week, we've added the ability for you to add a custom vocabulary. So if there are words or phrases that are a very specific brand name that you believe show up a lot, or courts, whatever it is that shows up a lot in the recordings that you transcribe, you can add them here into your profile. You can set up your default formatting options that are showing up in smart format out here. And this is where you can actually work on your template. The default